Hello everyone and welcome to our video series. Today I'm going to talk about a very important plugin, or you can say big feature you can implement on your website, and you can create a platform for people to join your website and blog along with you. So a blogging platform where all the members can sign up and they can from the front end. For that, like for a news website, if there are a lot of editors and creating a news website on WordPress and allowing editor to edit any or write any news article or blog on the website, they need a basic understanding of WordPress backend. But with this add-on, the front-end form just to create a post is very simple for anyone. And in this demo, I'm going to extend it further, like for a community, how you can utilize that, like for a community platform. All your members are already there. They are posting all sort of activity in the activity stream. So now you can allow them to have the blog from the profile page also. So the use cases can be very based on your need and your requirement. So I'm going to give it a start from very basic. First of all, let's say we have a new WordPress website for installation. You can create your own local site. And for this demo, what I'm going to do easily here is apply our theme, which is the BuddyX Pro theme I'm going to apply. And with that theme, we provide a live demo. You can say import a demo website. So we are going to use that as a base for the website. So simply install the theme and activate. Go to the plugin section and install and import the demo importer plugin. Why I'm doing this is so that we have a move ahead and have a online platform or community website where we have a lot of members there, and then we can show how you can enable this member blog feature on the website. Simply follow the steps here, and here I'm going to use the BuddyPress plugin, which is a free WordPress plugin, and using that and some Elementor for importing a live community website there. Simply hit install and you can wait for website to get imported. Once our website get imported, what we are going to have here is a platform on which a lot of members are registered. And now to allow all the members to have a blog on the website, that blog will be visible on their profile page, along with in the site-wide blog section or the blog page, you will find that all the members' name beside their name, they will be assigned those blogs to them. The options are limited, like for the website owner, how many weekly or monthly blog you can allow to your members to post, and what role on your website they should have minimum to publish any post, and what kind of content they can post in the blog, and whether their blog or you can say news can have a co-author along with them while writing, and they will have their own dashboard, everything from the front end only, a user-friendly way for editor or author or bloggers can engage on your platform. And along with there are groups feature in the community that can also be further utilized for making the groups of the topics under which people can blog specific to that group only, and the email notification feature for someone to get notified of any new post and update. And along with that, there is monetization option, like that platform from that platform you can also send some incentive to your members who are blogging. or you can take the money from them, like based on the membership level. You can provide them membership level. Up to this membership level can post only, and post schedule option is also there. So it's perfect for a membership site, online community website, multi-author platform, or course platform. First of all, for the course platform, that's a very great thing for to have on your website. For business directories also, for submitting the paid listing for news or magazine website, which can have multiple authors on the website, and everything can control without much effort. And all the settings that will admin will have all the full control over the website. You can see all these restriction and inside the group integration, along with the activity generation, like promoting the new blog post in the site-wide activity stream on your platform. And the post creation is very easy and simple for someone. There is just a simple form, and from the list of categories topics, they just have to use the editor. There are three types of editor also, which based on the people which kind of editor they are more familiar with, they can select and use that editor also. And so let's start with our website. I think our website might be ready here. I think few more minutes are left here. So once our website is ready, where we have members and a activity stream in the pages, we can install our plugin there. The plugin have the both free version and the pro version, and with the pro version you get a lot of more features here. So once you purchase the plugin, you will get the free version file along with the pro version file. And all the complete documentation of the plugin and theme you will get from our website directly. You can say there is complete documentation structure is there, how to set up each and everything: co-author, blog section, post credit section, and analytics, and all the dashboard for the author. Everything is there for you to get it. Let's wait for website to import, because a proper visualization we can easily understand what we are offering there. And for you to test, we always have a try sandbox option, which is very useful for someone to test. Let me write my email there and simply launch the test website also. Once this demo installation complete, you can test the complete plugin on your own. So the main USP is the front-end blogging feature and the credit system, along with the group integration and the complete dashboard for the members. So our sandbox is ready earlier. So I think from the sandbox, I can show you how you will have that feature. So as a member, someone will have that their dashboard, and they can see how many article or the post they have published, how many posts they have in the draft, and how much are in pending. And from a guest author or someone from member to publish, admin can always choose whether that post goes in draft or being published or in the pending mode. And similarly, the group blog feature is the same one. Like inside a group, there is a blog section, and different members of that group can publish the post, and all come under the blog section in that group there. And add new post is the most easiest way for someone to blog. Just simply provide a button, add new post, and someone can write the title, content, and select the categories from the available from the admin. Or they can also add a new category based on what they want to submit, If they want to add a co-author, that can also be done. And even there is option for creating a new series of the blog post. Okay, like the series name of the series. Okay, let's say team 1. Then you can also create team 2. So what it will make is team 1 order in series, leave empty to assign next position. So you can have the blog series also, blog feature image, and even the SEO option is there. Check the with the focus keyword, check the content SEO optimization score, and with the meta description you can check change the meta description of the post, and you can publish from here. So any member can log in and publish. In this sandbox you have the admin role here. Let's have a look of our website, which we are going to do from the scratch. So now we, with our theme BuddyX Pro, we have imported a complete live website where we have a lot of members there, and we have a site-wide blog section, and everything is written by admin only there, and there are a lot of members here. So now if you want to allow all these members can also blog from their website, all you have to do is get the member blog plugin, go to the plugins, use add plugin, upload, let me look for the plugin. This is the first of all we have to upload the free version. Then we have to upload the pro version. I think we have replaced, we have uploaded the free version again here. So we have to look for the pro version. Pro can't be installed before the free is installed there. So that's not an issue. You can only proceed when. So here are all the settings of the blog plugin. And once we have activated, let me show you some basic thing here. First of all, go to members, go to any member profile, and you have a blog section here. So as a admin, the site wide blog was from admin only, so his blog tab in the profile, you can see all the blog assigned to him only. And to any other member, in the blog section, right now no blog is assigned to them. So to test it thoroughly, let me add a new plugin which is user switch, so that we can switch to another member and can see how that is going to look on their member profile. For testing, I really like this plugin user switch. It's very easy to switch to the users and show how how admin settings changes can reflect on the front end when some new user is going to use that. So one thing we can do from the setting first of all is have the pages and place those pages on the menus or the front end. For that you can automatically create my dashboard also, like for remember to have the dashboard, save changes. Let's add these two pages on the menus also. Go to menu, add item, so all these menus are here. Now let's switch to as a member and try to create a new blog post. I think with the admin you can also see all the views here, all the published posts. These posts were published before installing the member blog plugin, but still as these blog posts are assigned to the admin, they are here to visible under admin my blog dashboard section. And there's also a button for create a new post there. I think let's move ahead to the settings one by one. So we have set up the pages and made them there. And there are three types of editor there. Right now what we are using was blog style editor, had blog editor. Okay. So this is like the blog structure there. And this is a medium editor. Once you switch that, members will get a different layout box field there. You can see here the fields different, especially the medium style writing there. And this is the classic which we are all familiar who are familiar with the WordPress. So from these three types of editor, you can select which kind of editor you want to provide for your members to add a post. Next up is access. So right now this is a default WordPress site, and these are the basic roles there, and there is a store also. We have installed the WooCommerce plugin, so shop manager role is also there. But based on your website need, whether you want to use a membership plugin, then there will be have new member roles for communities, also for author, also for course creator, also instructor, and other roles will be there. So based on the role you can select, there more often will be there, you can select which role can publish a post there. Okay. Next up is post publication rule. Pending review. Right now it's enabled on pending review. Like someone posts something, admin will get the notification, he will approve from pending to publish. We are right now changing it to publish because we can check each and every post as a member what they are posting are getting live directly or not. Next up is content and categories. Allow custom categories. Yes, right now we are doing that only. Based on your community, you can choose whether you can allow all sort of categories or adding more categories. Like sometimes allowing this might lead up to each and every blogger, right, adding a new type of category there. So you can keep that off, or you can allow as per your need. Restricted categories, like there are some categories which you do not want anyone to choose. Let's choose the uncategorized so that no one can choose uncategorized one. Automatically remove feature images when the associated posts are deleted. This was you can say the bug when we released the first version. Like people were able to delete the post, but the media gallery was filling up fast because none of those post media were getting removed, because all the blog post media are getting stored in the media section only. So overall site storage is getting full from that. So it is smart move when someone delete a blog post, all the associated media content get deleted. If you do not want to delete them, You can simply put them off. Custom activity post, as I say, like in this demo, we are showing how you are applying this member blog feature in a community. Need to be like always in a community. If on any WordPress site, you can use that member blog feature. But right now we are using on the community side, where you can create an activity post for each new blog which being published on the website, and how the post will visible on the dashboard. Like here you can say there are 10 at a time and the pagination is there. So that's that. And for storage protection on any such site, admin can always limit what kind of size of images can be uploaded and what format of images are being approved. Next up is restrictions. You can have limit, show warning when user approaches their limit, word count limit from minimum to maximum, like minimum blog post should be this much length, role based limit, admin can always exempt from posting limit, or all the time based checking this one. Subscriber, like right now we have subscriber and these roles only, so you can limit and set up all these things. Per hour how many blog posts you can write, per day how many you can write, all these limit you can apply there. Exempted user are those who are exempted from these limits. They do not have a limit, so you can simply assign someone. You can say all access pass, you can sell someone and they have the complete control over that, how many posts they can create. And enable co-author feature, that's a very great feature and very demanding feature, especially for a research blog article or something where 2 or 3 co-author must be needed for publishing any research article. Maximum co-author per post you can set. Invitation setting, yes, invite user to search and invite the co-author. Invitation expiry date, notification setting, permission setting. And review roles, select which roles can approve or reject post. User with these roles will see pending post and workflow. So by default in WordPress also you can see the editor role is a role who can edit any blog post all across the website. So as an admin, as editor, someone can edit any blog post on the website. So here also you can enable these, or you can only allow admin to remove or delete any blog post on the website, or you can assign some more roles to have that capability here. And there are some shortcode also for providing using these buttons. The user is a co-author. All these shortcodes can help you to show. Use this shortcode to display co-author information on your website, like have a section on the page and use that, and you will list all the co-author rules there. Next up is the author dashboard, which we saw here. This is the author dashboard. Overview, post limit, notification, co-authors, everything is mentioned there. Author dashboard setting is the option here. Here you can say post limits. You can say co-author, who are the co-author of this. You have no co-author invitation. Post I co-author, right now there is no invitation there. All these settings you can manage which options should be there. And there's a monetization option which is very much needed for someone to run down. Enable post credit, credit score, both membership level and manual you can select. And the default credit, how many credits someone have. Set 0 to disable. Right now there is no credit system, like this much credit you should have, then you can write blog post. Block at 0 balance, prevent user from posting when they have no credit. Okay, so show balance on the form, low balance warning, purchase email. This we will test once we have the complete overview. Like this is very exciting and very dedicated feature for how you can further monetize or limit or someone to have for push someone to get a higher membership level on your website once they are addicted to this feature. Next step, the email notification for everything. This is the email settings which can send like someone a new post title is be submitted, admin get the notification for the review, and there are much more options there. Right now we have seen all these options only, but there are custom field option like the field which you can include in the this form. Like there are limited field there, but you, as an admin can include much more fields there. Co-author field there, group blog field there, and the post credit field there. Right now these were not active, that's why you are not seeing here. Now when you will refresh, it will show you all these fields in this page. So the co-author is there, category is there. We will discuss the post create in the last. And this is a series format, group related post into series with automatic navigation, landing page, and progress tracking and table of content. Everything will be there when you list some blog post as a series. And the scheduling option is a great one. Select role who can schedule post, leave empty to allow all roles. Default publish time there, like someone scheduling, because there is a in the scheduling there can be default time or you can select a dedicated time, and track the daily views and analytics are there for the blog post also. So let's try this by simply go to the members. We have enabled the member switch plugin, so now we can switch as a member. Like as a member, I am on a website, no post credit available because we enable the post credit option. Let's switch back, and right now we can hide that post credit option. We will assign the post credit later on. So in the restrictions, let's see, we have also post credit option. Monetization, enable post credit. Let's put that off right now. Block to zero balance, so balance on the form. So right now we can change that. And switch back to member again. Add a new post. This is my test post. All we know, and there is no categories there. Let's add a new category. Let's create a series. Just name it one. So I am just inviting Andre to have a co-author in this blog. Let's look for some more. is not Steve. Okay. Uh, we can also assign this blog post to a dedicated group on the website. Let me use this image here. And for schedule later, like there is date and time there, but we are going to save draft. And finally update the post. So as a member, we have created this blog, and this is the complete blog you can see. And in the site-wide blog section, you can see that under the member profile, you can see that, and in the activity stream in the community, you can see there is the activity created that member have created a new post. So this is a blogging platform. You can say community blogging platform you created using the help of free WordPress plugin BuddyPress and our theme BuddyX Pro and this member blog pro add-on. And for more monetization feature, this feature can be monetized with the help of a membership plugin. Based on the membership level, you can provide who can do the post and who can't do the post, how many posts they can create. So any member can create a number of blog posts based on the limitation you set up there. And for the post credit feature, we are going to talk in the next video when I will show you how you can integrate it with a membership plugin, and based on membership role, how the credit system can be worked there. And I hope you like this plugin and try and test this out. At least start with the free version and try the pro version of the plugin to have a front end form for someone to blog in on your website. And if you are using the old editor option for allowing editor or the author to publish on your news or similar site or website, it's better to implement that plugin so that they will have this front end experience. With that note, I'm taking in this video here, and we will see plugin and this member blog plugin. And for any questions, leave a comment in that video.